13.1 Estimate the fraction of molecular volume to the actual volume occupied by the oxygen at STP. Take the diameter of the oxygen molecule. Chalo, what is the diameter? So, here the diameter of the oxygen molecule, that is the 3 angstrom. Okay. And therefore, what is the radius? Therefore, its radius is the half of the diameter, that is the 1.5 angstrom. 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter, right. Here what you want to find? So, here you want to find out the molecular volume. Molecular volume to actual volume. Actual volume, you can say that the molecular volume, that is a V dash, and actual volume, that is a V. You want to find out this ratio. Okay, chalo, let's find. So, I can say its actual volume, that is at STP. Okay. So, here you can say that at STP, actual volume of gas, you can say it is a V, that is what, 22.4 liter. What is it? 22.4 liter, that is what you can say, 22.4 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter cube. Done. Okay. So, STP actual volume will get. Now, what is the molecular volume? That is the volume of a 1 mole of a gas. Okay. That is, here you can say that molecular volume, that is equal to volume of one molecule, that is what, 4 by 3 pi r cube, and 1 mole, that is here, that is into Na, that is what Avogadro number. Okay. That is 4 by 3, 3.14 r cube, that is a 1.5 whole cube, 10 raised to minus 30 into Na, 6.023 into 10 raised to 23. Okay. So, when you solve this, then you have, it is a 8.52 into 10 raised to minus 6 meter cube. Okay. Now, we will substitute both value V dash and V to this equation. So, what is the V dash? 8.52 10 raised to minus 6 upon V 0.4 into 10 raised to minus 3, that is, it is 0.38 into 10 raised to minus 3. Okay. Or nearly you can say that 3.8 into 10 raised to minus 4. So, nearly equal to 4 into 10 raised to minus 4. Okay. So, it is the ratio of molecular volume to actual volume. Next sum, molar volume is the volume occupied by the 1 mole of any gas at standard temperature and pressure, 1 atmospheric pressure and 0 degree Celsius. Show that it is a 22.4 लीटर, जो हमने लास्ट सम में कंसिडर किया था वही हमें कैलकुलेट करना है, राइट. सो विल डू इट. सो हियर वी कैन से दैट PV, or you can say for ideal gas, you can say PV is equal to mu RT. Okay, you want to find out V. What is the V? Mu RT upon P. चलो see here you can say that V वॉल्यूम जो आपको कैलकुलेट करना है, what is the mu? Mu is equal to 1 mole, R 8.31 जूल पर मोल पर Kelvin. Temperature T, what is the T? 0 degree Celsius, or you can say 273 Kelvin. And pressure, that is the 1 atmospherical pressure, that is the 1.013 into 10 raised to 5 Pascal. Okay, we'll substitute all this value in this equation. So mu is equal to 1, R 8.31, T 273 upon 1.013 into 10 raised to 5. So when you solve this, 22.4 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter cube, that is you can say that 22.4 liter. Okay, so it is very easy.